Hello all my friends, thank you for your attention. Now I'm in Jatim Park. Today I will show you how to make these accessories. I hope you like, and don't forget like, subscribe, comment this video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make these accessories. The materials are ribbon, flannel, scissors, lighter, glue stick, and glue gun. The first step, we cut the ribbon, satin ribbon, according to size 1 meter. And we cut the organza ribbon. We need to according to the size 45 centimeter, and we need 2. Okay, we take a glue and we give the glue like this. We fold to form a rose flower. We roll, we give the glue and we roll. Like this. You always roll and give the glue and to form the rose flower. like this until this result. This is the rose flower. We need 5 roses for one necklace. And we give the fabric and we give the glue and you put like this until 5 flowers. Next, you need a flannel and you put under the necklace. Also, we need a ribbon, 2 ribbons, and you insert the ribbon here. Okay, like this. The last step, we need the circle. This is from flannel. We need 5 circles. And we cover under the flower like this. You give the glue first and you put under the flower. And the beautiful necklace has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.